Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your caller ID on Android. So if you want to protect your privacy and you want to call anonymously or hide your number on your Android phone, this is how you are going to do it. First, you can go to the call menu, this one, click on the phone button, and after that you can click on the three dots icon to see the options and go to the call settings. And after this you can just scroll down until you find the caller ID options. So just tap on the caller ID. In here you can set whether to show your phone number to the callee or not. So if you want to hide it, you can just click on the caller ID, and here you can see that the current setting is the network default, and if you want to hide your number, you can just click on the hide number options. Now it will updating the settings, and now number hidden in outgoing call. So whenever you call someone, your number will be hidden. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.